On this employee directory page, there's just a few things you can do, but the objective is to keep the employee directory independent of the team page. Employee directory is where you will have pay rates, benefits, and all of those things, and you don't want your team members to be able to see your other team members' info. So this page would be for administrative team members only, so owners and possibly office administrators or whoever you feel comfortable with seeing this page. And there is a view here called job application, and if you use this job application form by going to share form and then anyone on the web, it's already set there, but you can change that, and you can turn off the Notion branding if you have a paid account. But if you copy this link and you provide that link, and let's just open up a different browser real quick and throw that link in there. You could also put a button on your website that took them here if you wanted to. But if someone fills this in, puts their name and their birth date and their social security, mobile number, personal email, all of this information in, and then submits it, then your database will have that data in it for that potential employee when you come back to your list of employees. And you would just list that person as somebody who was a job applicant. And so these pages have a place for you to enter some bio information if you want to about them here. Let me go ahead and open this as a full page because there's a lot more data here than I'm showing. So let's talk about the lay of the land. So we've got 4 pinned items are the maximum you can put up here, so we're using all 4 of them. And so we have a status of active for this particular employee, and a birth date and an anniversary and a hire date, when did we hire him, and then we have this blank sheet here you could put in for bio information. We could also create this as a form as well that they would fill out for you. And then this assessment has been around a little while, but this is allowing you to have this assessment directly attributed to this particular team member or employee, and you to be able to assess them. When you create a new one, you will have this assessment for them. And the instructions for doing this assessment will be here. There's written instructions here, but there'll also be a video about how to go about this, and it's really simplistic. It's not hard at all. And then if you click on this side menu, you will see additional information about this particular employee. So we've got a lot of information here. I'm not going to read all of it. It's self-evident, addresses and salary, 401k, hourly rate, all of those types of things you would fill in into these different areas. You see they're actually broken into categories of linked databases, documents, benefits, and then data entry. So this you would always fill out. Some of these other things you may or may not fill out for some employees. So that's everything about the employee directory.